Children, so far we have seen two types of boats. Can you say the names of these boats, children? They are the log boat and motor boat. Similar to these boats, there are two other boats. They are long tail boat, which can travel at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour. Then the machine boat, which travels 22 kilometers in 1 hour. Now let us see the topic which boat gets how much in page number 9 of your textbook. Read along with me, children. In one trip, the logboat brings 20 kg of fish. But other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. Before moving to the questions, let us see how much fish each boat brings in one catch from the table given. What is the name of the first boat, children? It is the log boat. Okay, how much is the speed of the log boat? It is 4 kilometers per hour. That means what, children? The boat can go 4 kilometers in 1 hour. So how much kg of fish is it bringing in one trip? It is bringing 20 kg of fish in one trip. Okay, what is the name of the second boat, children? It is the long tail boat. How much fish can it bring in one trip? It can bring 600 kg of fish in one trip. So what is its speed, children? Its speed is 12 kilometers per hour. That means the long tail boat can go 12 kilometers in 1 hour. So how much is it bringing? It is bringing 600 kg of fish in one trip. So what is the third boat given in the table? It is motor boat. What is its speed, children? It is 20 kilometers per hour. That means what? The boat can go 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So how much is the fish caught by this boat in one trip? The motor boat can catch 800 kg of fish in one trip. So what is the last boat given in the table? It is the machine boat, which can travel at a speed of 22 kilometers in 1 hour. So how much is the catch that is got by the machine boat in one trip, children? It is 6000 kg of fish. Now shall we answer to the questions given in page number 9 of your textbook, children? Read the first question along with me about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Repeat it again. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. So what we should do? We should calculate the catch of each boat in 7 trips. That means we have to calculate for 7 trips how much kg of fish the boat is bringing. First, let us calculate the catch of the log boat. Write down like this, children. The log boat can catch 20 kg of fish in one trip. So how to find for 7 trips? Should we multiply or divide? Yes, we should multiply the catch of fish that is caught in one trip with 7 trips. So let us find how much is the catch of the log boat in 7 trips. Now let us multiply 20 by 7. So when we multiply 7 with 0, what will be the answer, children? Anything multiplied with 0 will be 0. So shall we write 0 here? Yes, write 0. Next, we should multiply 7 by 2. What is the answer we get? 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. So shall we write 14 here? Yes, right? 14. So what is the answer we got? We have got 140. What should we write? Is it kg or something else, children? Here we are talking about the catch. Catch means what? The quantity of fish that is caught by the log boat. So the weight, that is the quantity, can be written in kgs. So we can write the final answer like this. The catch of fish in 7 trips is equal to 140 kg. Using this method, we can find out the catch of all other boats in 7 trips. Shall we find out, children? Now let us find for long-tail boat. It can carry 600 kg of fish in one catch. So for 7 trips, if we multiply 600 with 7, we will get the answer as 4200 kg. How is it, children? Zeros multiplied by 7 will be 0, and 6 sevens are, what is the answer? It is 42. So we write as 4200 kg of fish is caught by the long-tail boat in 7 trips. Using the same method, you have to find the catch of other 2 boats in 7 trips. Try to find out, children. Let us have a short recapitulation. In this session, we saw about the speed of each type of boat and the catch that it brings in one trip. Using the information given in this table, we calculated the catch of the log boat for 7 trips. That is, we got the answer as 140 kg. And we also calculated for long-tail boat and got the answer as 4200 kgs. Meet you in the next session. Thank you.